In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook lead ads. So I've already got my browser open and I'm heading straight to adsmanager.facebook.com. Once the page loads, I'm inside the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard where all campaigns are created and managed. From here, I look at the top section and click on campaign. This takes me to the main campaign view where I can see existing campaigns or create a new one. Now that I'm in the right place, I go ahead and click on create to start building a new campaign. As soon as I click create, a new window pops up asking me to choose an objective. I'm going to select leads since the goal here is to collect information from potential customers. I click on leads, and once that's selected, I move forward by clicking continue. Now I'm in the campaign setup flow. The first thing I see here is the option to add a campaign name, so I go ahead and type one in. I usually keep it simple and descriptive so I can recognize it later. Once I've entered the name, I just double check it quickly to make sure everything looks right. After that, I click on next to move forward. This takes me deeper into the campaign setup where I can start adjusting the details. At this point, I begin setting up the campaign based on what I need. I go through the available settings on the screen, making sure everything is configured the way I want for my lead ads. I take a moment here just to review everything as I go along, making sure nothing is missed. It's all part of the normal setup process, and everything is laid out step by step within the Ads Manager interface, so it's easy to follow along. Once I'm satisfied with the setup, I move to the final step and click on Publish. As soon as I click Publish, Facebook starts processing the campaign and submits it for review. After that, the campaign is created and will go live once it's approved, and that's basically it. You've now successfully created a Facebook lead ad campaign from start to finish.